Welcome to the Custom Vantage Web video on adding customizable products. I'm going to go into my admin. I've already opened my admin, and I have the demo product that we created in the previous video, which was on generic products. I'm going to clone this product as demo 2, and I'm going to clone it instead of the same as original, which would make it a generic product. I'm going to clone it as a customizable product. Once I've done the SKU and the type, I can click clone. Because it's a clone of the original product, it has all of the same descriptive information, all of the same images, it's in the same category. It is suffixed by the 2 in parenthesis and also on the URL. All right, so let's change this to customizable, and let's change this to, we could just eliminate it, but we will change it to customizable to make it easier to see what we have when we start looking at it. Now, the immediate thing you will notice, apart from those 2 entities, is that there is a new section on the left-hand side called Custom Product Design. When we click on it, this is where we are going to input the width and height of the die plate or the impression area and the maximum number of lines we want to do on this product. I'm going to add a width and a height here so that we can, it's always going to be in inches, by the way, so 2 by 3/4, and I'm going to allow 4 lines of text. Now, the next thing we must do is assign a custom attribute. Custom attribute is built from a custom attribute, or is taken, I should say, from a custom attribute that you've already created. And that custom attribute uses a font set definition, which defines the fonts, the sizes, the ink colors, etc. You should watch the video on custom attributes in order to understand how that works. So in this case, I'm going to choose the default of inking stamps for this product. I'm going to skip these 2 for now, save. Now, if I go back out to the website, and from our previous video, this product is in the square stamp address category, and this is the customizable version of it. Regardless of the picture showing a round stamp, I've configured it as a rectangular stamp. Because it's customizable, you'll notice that there is a customize button. When I click on the customize button, you will notice that I have the same product features on the right-hand side now that I had when I did this as a generic product because we cloned it. So reasonably, we should remove this. But we also see the 4 lines of text that we can type in our content, and the customer can preview it. They can choose their colors from the colors that were in the font set definition that was assigned to the custom attribute we chose. So as you can see, it's quite easy. Now, just to flesh this out slightly further, I'm going to go back into the admin. I'm going to go to product features, remove these features because obviously they would be contradictory to the customizable version of the product. We wouldn't want the customer thinking they needed to select an ink color on the right-hand side. But hopefully you found that simple. Watch the generic product video to understand the core product setup, because everything is the same with the exception of the part that had to do with customizable. Thank you for watching this video on adding customizable products to your Custom Vantage Web website.